I'm Tanya, and in today's video, I'm creating a graduation gift for her. Okay, this is going to be quick and easy. And the first thing, this is the basket that I'll be using. This is, and I want to say most of these items came from Dollar Tree, most of them, and then I did add something else, so I'll show you guys that. This is a bamboo basket. Going to have some shred in there, some white shred. Tissue paper to fill the bottom. Going to use a cello bag. Going to have a journal and an ink pen. We're going to give the graduate some earbuds, a Type-C USB cable, a stylus pen, and an earbuds case. And then also we're going to give her some Bath and Body Works pink sunrise, pink pineapple sunrise. It's cute for the young ladies. Okay, and I think I'm going to enhance it with a little daisy flower and a bow. Okay, oh, then I forgot this too. And then this bag here, going to give her a drawstring bag. Okay, all in pink. Okay, so the first thing I do, I figure out how I want to fill it. So I had some tissue paper that I wasn't using, that I used in another project. So I'll just kind of, scrunch that all together. I'm going to scrunch all of this. And it's in there. I like to get it maybe 3/4 of the way up. So I'm going to keep layering. That's good enough. And then I'm going to top it with some shred, paper shred. I like paper shred a lot. They have like a lot of different, like the Easter grass type of shred. I don't like that too much. Okay, so, all right, so we filled it up. Not totally to the top, but just, give a little, maybe an inch, half inch. And if you have like a basket like this where you have a color, just make sure your stuffing is up to that line and not over it. Okay. All right. So first I always start with the backing. I'm going to back it, going to give it some support. We're going to give our item some support there. Okay, and then I'm going, since this is the heaviest stuff, I'm going to put that right there in the center. Okay. Good. All right, let's see. What else are we doing? Okay, I'm going to turn it around. Okay, I'm going to put the earbuds on one side. I got the USB cable on another side. Now I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to put the ink pen on one side and the cable on the other side. We're going to put this cable here. Okay. So that's it. So we have the little bath bomb there. It's round. And then we have this case here. We got the little flower up front. And this is a 360 view. You see the cable over there. See the earbuds over here. We have an ink pen right here. And that's a lot. Now I got like the journal and the ink pen and the basket, all of that when Dollar Tree was still just $1. Okay, now to fill it up. And just add shred to kind of fill things up a little bit if you need to. And that's cute, it's neat. And of course, always when we're off camera, you know, you do it so much better. Like I had this like exactly how I wanted. This is fine, it's fine. Recipients don't scrutinize it. Don't scrutinize all that. Like the thing should be at this center, you know, your guests, the recipients of the gift, they don't look at it like with the same critical eye. They see that someone was thoughtful and kind and went through some trouble for them. You know, they don't worry about all the little nitpicky stuff. So that's cute. Okay, so then sorry for the loud noise. And I like to keep the handle up. And I like these bigger flowers because flat flowers like this, when you shrink wrap it, they conform a lot better than like if you had roses. Sometimes they'll get swallowed up. I'm just going to put this in a cello bag. And make this as tight as possible. And then put my posh bow. I call it a posh bow because it's like a bow that I like, and that's kind of signature to my business, that's all. It's just, you know, it fits my aesthetic. And then just tie it. This is some curling ribbon. And, you know, I like streamers, a few little streamers. Okay, and here's the finished product. So this is how you can do a quick and easy graduation gift for a girl. And we had tech items, we had, you know, a journal in here, we have Bath and Body Works, and of course, a graduation gift is all about the money. So you gotta go on, I don't have a card here, but get a card and go on and put that $50, $100 in there, because, you know, these kids need a good start. You get someone that graduated from high school or college, they're gonna need that money. So, all right, so that's, and I forgot to put this in there, but I'm gonna show you another way to also give a good gift, a graduation gift for a lady, for a girl. Okay, guys, now another way we can present a graduation gift for her is to use these cosmetic bags. And during my Mother's Day series, I got a lot of people really like this idea of using cosmetic bags. And I was asked to do more videos using them. So, you know, if I can, and if I remember, I would try to do maybe 2 options. You know, how you can do a basket using baskets and other vessels, and using a cosmetic bag. Okay, so just do this. Gonna keep it simple. Gonna put that journal in there. And we're gonna roll up this, what is this backpack. I'm just gonna keep that in there. I like the contrast of the black and pink, so I'm gonna show that side of it. Just stick that in one side. Gonna stick this in there, stick the shower gel. Is that shower gel? Yeah. Okay, so then we're gonna make this a 360. I think I'm gonna put the earbuds on one side of the bag to keep it square. See that? I'll take that off later. And this, the ink pen. Stick the ink pen in there. Is that everything? Yeah. Oh, no, then I forgot the case. And then put the pink case in here. And tear this off. You know, tear off that. This is, you know, until I like to keep the tags on until the last minute because I like to remember, it helps me remember where I'm getting these things from. And when I do a video, you know, I can remember where I got it. Okay, yeah. You don't need a flower or anything in that one. And since they're getting the backpack, I'm not going to put the shower bomb in there. There's only so much room you can use these for. And then make sure you stick your little envelope in there with their money. And they can use this as their lunch bag. If they're going off to college, they can keep their, you know, keep their stuff in there, keep their toiletries in there, carry it to the shower, put their shower shoes in there. That's what I used to do when I was in college. I had my own little kit, my little shower kit, had everything in it, a little clear little plastic cosmetic bag. Okay, and then just tie the bow there. And you have some little streamers in the front. And fluff the bow. That's what I do. I fluff the bow. It's getting hot in here, guys. And cut this down. You know, cut it down when you're ready. I always do it extra, you know, because I'm doing videos, so I never know, you know, I don't want to have to waste you guys' time cutting, looking for scissors or stuff, so I might over-exaggerate things. And, yes, that's cute. Okay, guys, so just wanted to share with you today some ideas on graduation gifts for her. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and hit that bell notification. And I welcome all comments. So, you know, hit that like button. If you like this video or liked anything about this video, hit the like button. That helps YouTube determine that, you know, this is something going on over here that's worth keeping on the channel, on their platform. And I welcome all comments. Like the video, hit subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. Thank you so much. So these were my two options. Use a basket, use a cosmetic bag. Put your money in there. These are very thoughtful. Okay, guys, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye, Mom.